So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set daily alarm on your iPhone. So first of all, you'll need to find your clock app, and you can see it really looks like a clock. So you can just open that. Through here you can see the world clock, you can see your alarms, stopwatch, as well as a timer. So let's go to alarms. On there you can see the edit, you can see some alarms that you've maybe previously had. And you can see the plus sign in the top right corner. Click on that. Through here you can see the alarm. So let's choose some random time. So 12:30. You can see repeat. You can see the label, the sound, and the snooze option if it's on or off. So on here you can go to repeat, and you can see it says never. And you can just check off every single day. So if you click and go back, you can see it says every day. So that means it's going to be daily or every day. After that, you just need to go to the top right corner and click on save. And you can see here it says alarm every day, and make sure that you click and it lights up so it's a bit brighter and the green button is there. So that means that you've set that daily alarm. And after that, you will just wait for it to ring, and it's going to happen every day. You don't have to do anything except react when the alarm happens. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone or some other topics you might enjoy as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.